What's up guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can redeem promo codes in the TapTap Send app. So let's get started. Now, to redeem a promo code or promo codes, you would first need to get a promo code. Now, if you're still searching for a promo code, you can take a look at the description of the video, and that promo code will give you 15 pounds, dollars or euros, depending on your currency, on your next transfer. So once you have your promo code here, once you load up your app on your homepage, you will have a text that says redeem a promo code or a promo code section. Now, once you tap on that, you will see this screen, and here all you would need to do is just input the promo code. So depending on the promo code you have, you will receive a different amount of money on your next transfer. So again, if you use this promo code, you will get $15, euros or pounds on your transfer. So once you input the promo code, just go ahead and tap add promo code, and you will see this. You've got bonus credit and the amount of funds that you will get on your next transfer. Now, that's the first way that you can use the promo code. The second way is actually on the standalone transfer screen, and let's go ahead and do that. So once you try to make a transfer, here you can see the transfer roundup, the amount of money that you will be transferring, but also you can see add a promo code section right here. So before you make the payment, you still have a chance to add a promo code. So just go ahead and tap on that. And again, you can input the promo code from the description that will give you $15, pounds or euros, depending on your currency, on this transfer. So once you input the promo code, just go ahead and tap enter right here, and the promo code will be applied on this transfer right here. So at the moment, those are the only two ways and sections where you can add a promo code in the TapTap Send app once you're making a transfer. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.